In this video I will show you how to double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop. Unhide this layer. Alt press create clipping mask. Add a layer mask. Go to brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Foreground color is black. Reduce the opacity. Start the brushing. We want to show part of the women image. Choose the color from her head here, this one. Now that we want to hide this part. This is part from the women. We add the layer mask. Choose the brush tool and foreground color is black. Reduce the opacity. Start brushing you, we want to hide this part. Make the opacity bit higher. Start hiding this part. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.